Itong tropang to, baka ba naka-blue, hindi ko rin pwede sabihin na dahil naka-blue, they're from our friendly school, Ateneo. Okay? But the thing is, totoo, they are. Nakita ko kanina, naka-jacket siya. Ano tapos mo? Nalipat kayo, no? You're taking your masteral?
I'm taking my medicine in San Beda.
You're taking your medicine?
Yeah.
Bakit ang sakit mo?
Ay, hindi. Medicine degree.
Ha?
Medicine degree.
Ay, yung medicine degree sa San Beda.
Okay.
Tawa ka naman tawa. Ito ko rin, pinagmamalaki mo siya. Bakit hindi ka kayo?
Girlfriend ko po.
Oh, saan ka?
Yes. Anniversary na po namin nung April 22. Third year.
Anniversary nyo ng April 22? 3 years.
3 years.
Okay.
More to come.
Pero hanggang ngayon, lumalabas siya. May kasamang chaperone. May anong role mo dito sa buhay nila?
I'm the sister, eldest sister of Crimson.
Talaga? So, bali, binampaten mo siya dahil wala kang tiwala. Lobe, honestly, 3 years, anong kinukuha mong kurso?
Pilo po. Pilo pa sir, UP Diliman. Pero ngayon po,
Narinig ka namin.
Pilo po. Tapos ngayon po, legal researcher ako, saka I double as a secretary for a lawyer.
Okay.
Tapos nagsusutor din po ako. So, nagsusutor.
Tutor.
Nagsusutor din po ako ng kids.
Ba't ang tayong ginagawa?
Para po maraming pera. Kaya po,
So, sa inyo lahat, good luck. Let's play. Okay, ito na po ang ating taranta round, okay? Pero bawal na bawal ang matarangka. Isa-isa kayo sasagot para sa inyong team. No coaching, please. Tandaan niyo po, isang tanong para sa lahat. May tinatlong choices sa screen. Para sa bawat player, doon po lalabas. Electronic random selection muna tayo. Then you have 3 seconds to answer. At ang dalawang team na pinakamataas na score o pinakamataas na puntos, sila po ay pasok sa ating next round. Ilagay naman tayo, baka kaluho tayo ng isang tiebreaker, pero tsaka na po natin pag-usapan. Okay, so, enjoy the ride. Lights, please. Here's your question. Alin sa mga sumusunod ang paralan ng department sa cabinet ni Pangulong Arroyo? Okay, first player, please. Richard.
Agrarian reform.
You're correct.
Wow! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Ano ba lang ito, Asap? Ano ba lang ito?
Yeah!
Okay, okay. Panalo. Next player, please.
budget and management.
That's also correct. Next player, please. John. Okay, you only have 3 seconds. Correct answer would be interior and local government. Okay, next player, please.
Okay, pwede pa yan.
Alip.
National security.
Wrong. National Security, Trade and Industry is the correct answer. Next player, please. Ryan.
Public works and highway.
You're correct. 2 points so far. Next player, please. Right?
National police.
No. Cabinet. The department sa cabinet, it's national defense. Next player, please. Erwin.
Labor and employment.
You're correct. please. Space.
Transportation and communication.
That's correct. Kaya pala, tumagal kayo ng ganyan. Pareho pala kayo mataas ang energy. Next player, please. Okay.
Foreign affairs.
That's correct. You left. Okay. Black or blue, isa sa inyo. Naka 2 mistakes na po ating great team. Next player, please. You say,
Education.
that's correct. Nagkabis pa kayo sa point. Next player, please. Right.
Environment and natural resources.
That's correct. Okay, ngayon, kung sakasakali, ang kasagot ngayon po ay ang blue team. Kung magkamali po si Liza, you will at least be having, there will be a tie and we will have to resort to a tiebreaker. Okay, next player, if you answer correctly, Liza, kayo na. Anong violet team ang pasok sa ating next round. Next player, please. Liza,
Finance.
pakilakas please.
Finance.
Department of Finance is correct! Nasigitan po tayo. Okay, yun na yun po. Here we have it. Thank you sa ating mga teams na hindi naging matagumpay today. Thank you very much. Kita-kita tayo ulit. In the meantime po mga kaibigan, ang manalaman-laman po ating white and blue sa ating discarding round when we come back dito sa Pilipinas. Game ka na ba?